Hello viewers, I am Orko Prabhu and you are watching NEX TECH. So today in this video I am gonna review this Rockerz 550 Bluetooth headset and will give you a long-term review about this product. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Subscribe our channel NEX TECH for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. At first, let me give you the physical overview of Rockerz 550, which is priced at 2000 INR. This is over-the-ear headphone with pretty big ear cups made out of good quality of plastic, and the Boat branding looks very premium. The Boat 550 is also available in other color variant on online shopping websites. Boat 550 has a metallic extension band which is very good. The air cushioning is very soft and made out of good quality of foam. The head padding is also soft and good. Here you can see on the headphone you do get power on off button, volume rocker, light indicator, aux port and micro USB charging port, and a mic is also available here. There are two tiny airflow vents are there, but they don't work properly and it has the humid sweat problem. First, let's talk about the build quality of this headphone, and it's made out of good quality of plastic and it looks kind of premium. And it has metallic headbands, and the padding are also made out of good quality of foam, and the padding are very soft. The ear cushion is good, the head padding is also good. And another thing I want to discuss about this headphone, that is the weight of this one is it's quite bulky, it's quite heavy because it has the over the ear design, and that's why also it's comfortable. So one thing, it has over the ear design that makes one pro, one cons. That's this one pro, that is it's very comfortable, and one con, that is it's bulky. Now let's come to the audio quality, the most defining feature of any headphone or earphone. So this headphone has very good bass, but it's not for that Boat heads because it doesn't have the Boat signature bass, that boom boom style. It has the good bass coming with a clear mid, so the mids are also good on this one, and the highs are sometimes getting distorted. So the highs is not that good on this one, but the mid and lows are very good. So overall you are getting a good sounding headphone in this price range. And another thing I want to discuss about this audio quality, that is the loudness of this headphone. So it is very loud, and 70 to 80% of volume is optimum for this one, but 100% is not good for your health. So listening on 100% volume on this headphone can harm and damage your ears, and then you will not be able to listen and watch my videos. So please don't do this. Let's do a quick audio test of Rockerz 550. The audio footage you are currently listening now is recorded via this Rockerz 550 Bluetooth headphones, and let me know in the comment section that how is the voice quality and clarity that is coming out via the microphone of this Rockerz 550 Bluetooth headphones. So now let's talk about the gaming with this headphone. So it's clearly not for competitive gamers because it has the same latency issues with all the Bluetooth earphones and headphones, and it's not for competitive gamers really, but for casual gamer it's kind of okay. You can use it if you are a casual gamer. Now let's talk about the Bluetooth. So it has a Bluetooth 5.0, so it will be a hassle-free experience. It will connect and pair to your phone or laptop pretty easily. Now coming to the battery section, so it has a 500 milliampere hour of battery. Now let's talk about the calling section. So this headphone is kind of okayish for calling because you have seen on the microphone testing part that it has an average microphone, and what can you expect more with average microphone? For calling it is also kind of average. So now let's talk about pros and cons of this headphone. Actually I made a list that I don't want to miss any point on the pros and cons. So the first pro is the bass. The bass is very good on this one. It's not for the Boat heads because it doesn't have the Boat signature bass, that is the boom boom bass, but I think this bass is very clear, and the bass on this one is very good. The second pro is the mids. So the mids are also clear. The sound quality on this Boat 550 is very good. So the mids are also good, and it will be good for acoustic listeners. And the third one is the comfort, as it has a big ear cups. So the comfort level is very good on this one. Very good for using this headphone for long hours. Now coming to the cons, that the highs are not that good. It gets distorted, as I said on the audio quality section, that the highs are clearly not that good. And second con is the audio leakage problem. As I said, that it has a very loud sound, so above 80% volume you will face the audio leakage problem. So if you live in a hostel with roommates, it will cause a problem, and also just during traveling on public transport, it will not be a comfortable journey for you, because what you are listening, your fellow travelers are also listening. So the third problem is sweating problem. As it has big ear cups, it's quite comfortable, I said, but on hot and humid weather it becomes very uncomfortable because it sweats a lot inside, and so it has a sweating problem in humid and hot weathers. So now coming to the verdict, it's overall a good over-the-ear headphone in this price range, and it's good for medium bass lovers, and it has a clear mid, so it will be good for acoustic music listeners. And it is not good for gamers, and it is not good for primary call purpose, and also not good for like chatting, because the microphone is not that good. And also beware of the humid sweat problem, because it has big ear cups, so it sweats a lot in humid conditions. So guys, do let me know in the comment section that what do you think about this Boat Rockerz 550 Bluetooth headset. And here's my friend Snehomoy. It's his headphones.
So as you know, I am Snehomoy and you are watching the Next Tech, and don't forget to hit this video a like and comments down below what you have thought about this particular product, and please share this video with your family, friends as much as you can, and subscribe Next Tech for more quality tech videos. Bye bye.
হয়েছে মোটামুটি
ভাই ওপি হয়েছে কিন্তু